Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to the stream recap of week 34. So this week I have a little bit of something every day, but stay until the end because I want to share something that my team and I start doing this week. So let's get started. On Monday I was streaming on the Microsoft Developer channel on Twitch with Azure Girl, and we were talking about the mixed reality. In fact, the title of the session was "What kind of reality is that?" And I didn't know, but there's many different kinds of virtual reality and we could interact with them. We started doing a project, but unfortunately we didn't finish it. So the chat was on fire and was asking tons of questions. Really cool. So she's definitely coming back to finish that project. On Tuesday, I was with Hem and she was teaching us how to build a solution using AI custom vision to detect when we are touching or not her face. I was expecting a lot of code and very complex stuff, but it was super easy. And in fact, it was easy peasy to implement. And we even had more time to talk about the virtual flight simulator that was released that day. So very interesting stream. On Wednesday, I was on my channel on Twitch and I was working on documentation. So working on the Tiny Blazor admin website, but how to implement the deployment is still manual. So was the documenting all the steps to make sure all Azure Active Directory component that you need for this tool was available and easy to follow. So until we have an automatic deployment procedure, at least now you have a step-by-step deployment that is much easier to follow. On Thursday, I was not streaming at all, but a project I'm involved in was sharing a new episode. So it was the Demystify ARM template or Learning ARM with the Azure DevOps channel. And Pierre and Abel were talking about the outputs and how you can use them to help when you're deploying certain resources in Azure. So very interesting, a very interesting episode, and there's a bunch of links if you want to learn more, and there's even a GitHub one where you have all the snippet used in this video. On Friday, I was back again on my Twitch channel and I was working on that CloudBot. It's a Twitch chat bot. I did that on purpose to learn Node.js. And this week I was tracking more Twitch event. So if someone is following, sharing, sending bits, bunch of stuff. So all those Twitch events are now captured by the chatbot because we want to generate a stream node. So CloudBot is the best way to interact with the community. So it's helping me now to track a bunch of events. So we're really cool, interesting streaming. Okay, and now I'm glad you stay until the end. So the big reveal, it's not that much, but we finally have the thumbs up, the green light. We can use the name All Around Azure. So we have the domain allaroundazure.com, but right now it's probably not, when you're watching this, it's probably not pointing to the blog. So I will create a temporary short URL for you, but we have now a landing page for every episode of the All Around Azure. Those are the stream my team and I are doing. So those episodes are to take any kind of knowledge, technology that you know and bring and start doing something on Azure. We shared 4 episodes this week so everyone has a landing page with all the links, and the episode is also available there on demand. So we shared episode 1 with Amy, so we're talking about build AI and we build different tools to make us more productive. Then it was episode 2 with Laurent where we were building a push notification using Xamarin and Azure. It was really cool. On episode 3 is it with Brian, and he's sharing tons of tips and tricks about the terminal. Very, very interesting to hack her way and make it super pretty. And then the last episode that we shared was with Jason where we build a serverless incident management system. Very cool. And for anyone doing a product these days, I think this one is very interesting because from an incident, we create a conversation in Teams and then manage the ticket in Azure DevOps and make sure that everyone has the best of the information to get started and resolve the incident as fast as possible. So definitely have a look. All the links are in the description. I hope you like this kind of short summary of the week. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'm always very happy to read them and answer you. Okay, that's it for this week. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!